Okay, right now I'm going to show you how to replace the internal cartridge of the air filter. Over time, this white cartridge will turn brown, eventually it'll turn dark brown, maybe even black. At that time you want to replace it. On the gray little lever here, you see an arrow pointing down, and there's also two other arrows, one pointing to the left and one pointing to the right. You want to press down on the gray. And you can remove the filter assembly. There is a black ring. You want to give it a little bit of a turn, clockwise or counterclockwise. There's a disc on the bottom. You want to twist it counterclockwise to remove it. And the white replacement cartridge. This is your old one. Put it aside. You grab a new one. You press it up onto a little spindle. Give it a twist. You want to press this in and give it a little bit of a turn. There's an indicator mark on this top piece and an indicator mark on the clear plastic little cup holder here. You want to make sure that's lined up. You want to press down and twist. And that's it.